Hi, this is asynchronous work for maybe both regular and honors pre-calc class assignment. I think around 647 the graph to graph this equation. Okay, and the first one is uh, this is our textbook, and this is a kind of the question from the Delta Math. And what you see this one is D is in our textbook. D is right here, but the Delta Math D is under here. Okay, so B, how to find the B value? You look at the cycle. So you have to get the plug in the numbers here, and this dotted line, not this solid line. This dotted line uh, equation. Okay, so first you look at the amplitude. So there's no vertical shift because the center line is 0. So there's no vertical shift. So in that case, you look at the amplitude. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 from the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and from the 0 is -1, -2, -3, -4. So it must be 4 here. Okay, 4 here. Now, cosine, this is the value. So you look at the one period, which is you start here. I'm sorry, you start here, and you ended up here. That's 2 pi, right? So 2 pi, and I wonder if you remember this equation right here. The period is 2 pi over b. So this equation is 2 pi equal, I will put the 2 pi equal 2 pi over b, right? So to solve for b, it's kind of easy thing. So but it's right down here, 2 pi divided by b. So if you solve for b equal 1, right? So you just write down b equal 1. Okay, so b equal 1. Okay, we solve for b. So where's this number? So this number b is right here. So this is going to be 1. So there's no vertical shift. You don't have to put 0. So this is, but this is the equation. It's 4 cosine 1x, or you just don't have to put um, 1, and you don't have to put 0. You don't have to write down anything. However, I will recommend you put the parentheses around x. Okay, so that is the first question, and I suggest. And so second question is maybe a video. Okay, indicate here video. All right, so let's do the same thing. Now, where is the sentence? So dotted line is going to be, you have to plug in here. So 2 max, -2 minimum. In that case, the center is again still 0. Okay, so this is no vertical shift. So I put 0 here. Okay, now what do you have to do? But it's 2 up and -2 down, so it must be 2 goes here. Okay, now let's do the same thing about 1 cycle from 0 to 15 pi over 2, right? So that is 15 pi over, I'm sorry, 15 pi over 5 is 1 cycle. So you write down this equation. 15 pi over 5 is 2 pi over b. So how do you solve for b? You do the cross multiplication. So 2 pi times 5 is 10 pi. 12 pi times b is 12 pi b, and b solve the b. So this is the solution. 10 pi divided by 12 pi is 5 over 6, and pi cancel, right? So 5 over 6 goes here. Five over 6. Okay, so there's no phase shift for this if they give you this kind of formula here, and still this is I'm actually, this is a sine cosine value. So just think about this as cosine. So this is going to be final answer. Okay, and I wonder if they have final answer here. 2 cosine 5 over 6x. Okay, so this is how you do it. And if you have any question, please report to my office hours. Okay, bye.